Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Forminator is installed and you have admin access. Once done, open WordPress admin and go to Forminator Forms to start. Create a new form and choose a template or blank form. That speeds setup. Add core fields first, name, email, message, because they define submission structure. Make sure to set labels and required toggles. This prevents missing data. Finally, save a draft. You will iterate on layout and logic next. Now you continue by building the detailed form behavior. You add specialized fields, file upload, phone, checkboxes, and then set conditional logic so users see only relevant questions. Next, configure notifications and actions. Set who receives emails, customize the message, and set reply to. Integrations come after. Connect CRM or Zapier to automate leads. Make sure to test. Submit sample entries and check notifications, entries list, and integration payload. Finish by embedding the form where needed. Use the Forminator block, shortcode, or widget. Once live, test thoroughly, submit on mobile and desktop, check entries, and confirm emails arrive. If notifications fail, inspect spam folders and your site's DNS settings, add SBF or DKIM if emails get blocked. When conditional logic or file uploads break, reopen the form, verify field ID and rule order, then resave. If caching hides changes, clear cache and retest. That usually resolves the last issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.